Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. It may sound strange, but it's really true. Drill yourself, work hard, and work out for your comfort. Exercises tune your body and have maximum health benefits. It's a great way to put yourself back in shape. This is one of the best way to treat chronic pain. Don't worry viewers, we have you all covered. Today we will be discussing all those exercises that help revive chronic pain. Watch this important video till end and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's know the entire process. Multiple advantages of exercises include an increase in mobility, better muscle movement, and a decrease in inflammation. Plus point here is that no medication is required to cure chronic body pain. Just a little effort goes a long way. This is so motivational. Gear yourself up and get into action. Kiss your pain goodbye, say hello to your fitness. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel Nuru Veda. Let's watch a motivational video that covers all the workouts that you should do to reduce chronic body pain. So let's pump it up. Number 1. Cardio exercise. Any exercise that increases your heart rate and breathing is termed a cardio exercise. These are easiest and most effective to reduce chronic pain. This requires the least effort and have great results. It comes with great physical and mental payback as well. Walking is really beneficial. Start with a 10 minutes routine and then tune your body to walk for at least 30 minutes a day. Follow this routine rigorously to see better results. It will make your muscle strong and help deal with heart issues as well. Swimming is another option. It's a good substitute for walking. You can relieve your joint pains by exerting lesser pressure on joints. One can also enjoy and relax while doing the exercise. These two exercises don't require any equipment and are super easy. Push yourself today and go for that extra mile. Number 2. Yoga. Your body is happiest when it's moving. Exercises don't play the role of a painkiller, but they work gradually. Make sure you do these exercises that do not trigger pain and are gentle. It takes time, but the results are promising. Consider doing yoga. German research suggests that yoga is as helpful as stretching. Go for light exercises such as breathing, meditation, and moderate postures. This will help you embrace your pain and focus your mind on ways that can effectively heal your body. Aerial yoga is preferred as it imposes lesser pressure on joints. It also helps you deal with the pain. Number 3. Pilates. Pilates are a great way to improve core strength and it gives you stability and balance. It includes low efforts. Not much physical activity is required and it makes the alignment better. It's important to note that you require a proper supervision for doing such exercises. A study conducted in 2005 concluded that taking Pilates classes 3 times a week for 14 weeks had a greater impact on people with chronic pain. Number 4. Stretching exercises. The best way to relieve neck and back pain is to do stretching exercises. They help muscle relax and reduce stiffness. These are highly recommended for an increase in your mobility of muscle. Try doing low back stretch. For that, you have to lie down on your back on a flat surface. Bring your folded knees towards your chest. Now hold your knee as if you are hugging them. Rock side to side. You can also try sit forward bend, supported bridge and belly flops. These exercises have super easy steps and are sure to help you with the chronic body pain. Number 5. Weightlifting. Weightlifting is not only meant for bodybuilders alone. If you suffer from chronic body pain, this is surely gonna help you. They help build up the muscle and release stress. Don't forget to consult a physical therapist. They will guide you about the right weightlifting options. You don't want to disrupt your muscle. Lift the weight according to the condition of your muscle and be amazed with the outcome. Number 6. Strength training. Only weak muscles are linked with chronic pain. There are specific exercises that help strengthen muscles and reduce pain. Building strength helps to overcome arthritis and back pain. While doing exercises, think of pain as a weakness leaving your body. Stress can be released with the help of exercises. Exercises are really effective in strength training. Building strength is important because it aids stability. Core strength is the need of people with chronic body pain. Number 7. Relaxing exercises. These are really effective. The advantage is that these can be done absolutely anywhere and everywhere. All you need to do is visualize, sit and lie down in a comfortable position on the floor or on your bed. Try to relax your feet and shoulder by placing your hands on your stomach. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Continue with this pattern and think that pain is leaving your body. You can do such exercises at any time in a day or night. These are really convenient and easy to do exercises. Engaging in a healthy routine for exercises can help in dealing with chronic body pain. Number 8. Biking or cycling. Cycling is a very easy to go activity. It helps the mobility of muscle by warming them up. Cycling is a low impact exercise. This means that cycling limits stress on weight-bearing joints like your hip, knees and feet. Plus, the movement helps lubricate the joint, which reduces the pain and stiffness. What's important is that you start gradually cycling for a few meters and then give yourself a break. One size doesn't fit all. Similarly, you cannot just start doing what others are doing to cope up with the pain. Be wise and consult your doctor and a trainer. Suit yourself, adapt different strategies and see what works out for you best. Remember, just do the right amount of exercise. Do not burn yourself out. Keeping your movement slow, don't forget to stop if your pain triggers. Believe in repetition and engage in healthy behavior. With that being said, we hope that you loved watching this video. If you would like to see more such content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Share this video with your buddies who are dealing with chronic body pain. Leave a comment and let us know which exercise do you like the most.